brother and sister. Good afternoon, all of you. I am in the favor of offline shopping. In the my opinion, offline shopping are very best for middle class people, for poor people. In online shopping, everybody not afford that online shopping. Those have no phones. How they shop online.
Ma'am, it is totally wrong. Everybody can't afford the online shopping because no, online shopping is cheap in comparison of offline shopping.
How
So
can you say that online shopping cheap?
because online
You
shopping
go on
give
City
a lots of
Mall. You
discount.
go City Mall and see the all branded
Yes, the
clothes.
city mall is offline shopping. It's a very high rate.
You
We,
can see.
we are
You can go on
online.
Ghantaghar. Hello, sir. You can
Yes.
go Ghantaghar and see many branded clothes.
No, but in online shopping, you can see the many discount in available in every application,
We
Flipkart,
in
Amazon,
offline
Myntra.
shopping
In
we can
every
bargaining.
application, there
In
are many
offline
discount
shopping we are
available.
bargaining
Yes,
and
but if you know in the summer season in
those
offline, so
cloth
you
who are
have to go,
1,000.
you have to
Excuse
face the
me.
traffic rule.
Those
You have to
cloth
face the traffic
those
rule
cloth
for
who
the
are
online.
those cloth who are
Yes.
1,000,
Yes.
we are bargaining and shop them in 450.
That yes, yes, sir. That cloth quality is not
And
good in
one
comparison of
more
online
topic
because
is,
they have not any company product.
sir, excuse me.
I am favor of online shopping. On online shopping, there are very variety are available in with discount in one place. Shop any material in one place in any times. Online shopping are available open in 24 hours and many offers with discount.
And first of all, I wanna say something. Good evening, everybody. And our topic is online shopping versus offline shopping. And I'm in the support of offline shopping because first of all, I wanna say some Hindi words. That मांगा जो किताब वो गुलाब दे गई उसके बाद वो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग हिसाब दे गई and so
No, sir, you are wrong.
I wanna say that whenever you purchase in the offline shopping any product, you will get another product. Before some days, there was my friend who is purchase a t-shirt, but after they are not getting that same t-shirt. They are getting a ladies t-shirt. You know why? Because it is the fault
But
of the
we
online
can
shopping.
return. But
in the
we can
offline shopping,
return
whenever
option. But
listen,
we can return option.
when no,
Yes.
he is choosing the. You are saying wrong things. You know that when and.
Hi, this is Pooja, and today debate online shopping and offline shopping, and I'm favor online shopping. If you very busy and you have no time, you can easily phone any app. You can purchase any items
I have
like
a question.
Flipkart, Amazon.
I have a question.
And
Whenever you are.
and so for so many times, then he will
But-
know me.
but-
Excuse me, sir, listen to me. Then and also sometimes if I don't have money, then I keep the product and give him money after sometimes when I have money. But in online shopping, you can't get your product if you don't have money.
Okay. But on online shopping, if you have a credit card, you pay the bills in easily EMI. Easily EMI, you can pay the bill and
Excuse me, sir.
and nowadays it is the busiest life and many people have no much time
In offline
to
shopping, we
go on
also
market.
use
If you go in any mall, how can you bargaining? How can you bargaining? There is fixed price and there is given
There are
discount.
so many
There is no
offers.
fixed price.
There is buy one get one free and so many 20, 50, 80% offers.
Usually these offers are not available. It is only available on terms and conditions when any festival comes.
Sir, you say that in online shopping you are not wasting your time. Without wasting your time, you select your product. You scrolling your mobile, then you select your product.
Without wasting time, I can select product. I can order on online shopping of and everywhere I sit, I can order our
purchase mobile phone, order mobile phone, and come sometime and
If
return
you-
policies are also available in online shopping.
If you go in, immediately in a party and you buy your clothes, then how you go buy your product?
You know, many online app provides soon. He can provide the product very soon. You have to complain. You can call. But you know, suppose that you need three products like that: books, clothes, and shoes. You know, you need three product. You need three products: books, cloth, and
if I
shoes.
want
So
to-
you will have to go three shop. Here is totally waste
Yes,
of time.
excuse
But
me,
in
sir,
online
you
shopping,
please.
you can easily three products in one time, and you can easily get your product in online shopping, three product. But in offline shopping it is not possible. You will have to go in three shop. It is a totally waste of time. Suppose that you have no time, so how can you purchase
Hello,
that
sir.
product?
Hello,
Yes.
sir. I think in offline shopping, if I going to purchase something offline like
Yes.
t-shirt or something, so I can easily go and I can check the quality of the t-shirt
Yes.
material,
But in
and
online
I can.
shopping- but, okay. But in
And I can try
online
it on. I
shopping,
can try
you
it
can
on.
see the review. You can see the review. The people give their reviews, and you know,
but they-
according to review, you can select. Otherwise, you not select.
But the choice of other people are not similar like me.
Then I suppose that you don't like this product, you can change. You can replace that product in online shopping.
There are so many.
This facility is also available.
Not
in online.
immediately. Not immediately.
Why not?
It
But-
is. I think it is a waste of time. In this much time, I can purchase anything offline, and I
But,
didn't have to return also.
No.
If immediately we can go in our relative, then how to possible to market in online?
In online shopping you have to work then purchase any material on mobile, because suppose you cook,
I know.
in kitchen,
But do you
then
know-
use
do
mobile
you
and
know
you
if-
also purchase any material on
Do you
online shopping.
do you know purchase online, but we get after 1 week and after 7 days. I
agree with you. I agree with you.
I want to go to that. Then how to possible?
You go to in marriage party, but you cook night time, then you are just to work, use mobile and then cook material. Best. Don't.
We can choose offline.
No, you are
We
just
can
time.
choose offline. We can go in a shop.
Any cloth or product, how to use shopping online.
Many areas, many products are delivered within day.
Within 2 days, before 2 days,
It
no,
totally depends on your location where you live.
it will
It
take
totally
2 days.
depends on location. If you are villager, how to get a product from
Sir,
in
1
real
minute,
time?
sir.
First of all, you go to market and then buy a product. If the product is not fitted, then the shopkeeper write in bold letter, the sold item will be not returned.
Listen me. Suppose
Sold
that
item will be not
Sir,
returned, but
suppose
online
that-
shopping.
Listen
But
to
online
me.
shopping, the return item.
Suppose that you go to any exam and you need a pen. You have no pen. You have only 5 to 10 minutes. Then what you are doing?